Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're working on a 2011 Toyota Sienna. Customer complaint is that whenever he drives, this only happens sometimes. Doesn't happen all the time, but he's driving, and all of a sudden the steering becomes very hard, and all the dash lights come on, and basically he just has to pull over. Then he restarts the car is fine. So we came in here. The battery is supposedly only a year old, and did a voltage test. So far it checks out. It was reading 12.4 volts, and then I started doing a draw test, and I noticed that in the fuse box, this relay here was drawing about 150 milliamps. This relay, according to the cover, is the dome cut relay. It powers all the dome lights inside the vehicle. We confirmed that. So I already checked all the fuses. The fuses are not drawing any current, and I'm just going to go ahead. The car is asleep. I'm going to reset my meter here. Completely reset and put it back on, and you can see that it's drawing on average about 140, 150 milliamps. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this relay. There you go. I'm going to remove it, and you see that it drops down to about 55, which is acceptable. This is what I want to see. And supposedly there's a short in the wiring. I mean, from what the owner tells me, is that sometimes the dome lights don't work. Is that what's going on? What's wrong? The dome, the automatic doesn't work?
So the door open when it comes down.
Okay. So anyway, this is gonna be a fix because we've narrowed it down. I haven't really traced the wiring. We're not here for that. We're just here to find out why this car has Christmas lights on the dash, and the power steering, it just becomes really hard and so on. So what I'm going to do is tell the owner to drive the vehicle without this relay and report back to me. If he wants to further get it fixed, then we'll trace it down. But as of right now, 2011 Sienna, the issue, again, customer complaint is that the lights go on, all the lights, dash lights go on. The car is very hard to steer. The van is very hard to steer, and he has to, basically pull over and shut off the car. I'll plug this in just so you can see. The car has been sitting for about 25 minutes, and we'll plug this back in. The relay clicks, and now it's pulling again the same amps. So there you have. All right, guys, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Until the next one, thanks for watching.